All right, back at it again. Today I'm working on this. I ported my 45, so that's what we got. So I did a short video on it, but that's what she turned out to. So I'm working on test firing it today, see if it runs, hope it do. And yep, hope y'all like this design. So it was all black, and I decided to custom it a little, bring this gun back out. So we got Taurus Tony again. So I'm about to shoot some of the guns. Yeah, he's been named. Yeah, represent the Taurus, but he got a few pieces here that he picked up the last couple of weeks. There's a Glock. What is that?
Apex.
And then
TriStar.
TriStar.
And that's a Cherokee.
Okay, so we had the TriStar on the video already, but we haven't seen it shot. So I'm gonna shoot all his new guns. So these are new guns on the channel, and let's see how I do. Pray for me. They've been shot. Start out with my favorite gun of all. Good enough. So this the Glock 17. I love a Glock 17. This original 17. What gen is this?
4.
Gen 4. Okay. Iron sights, y'all. Not my thing, but it is today. Okay, that was way off. Okay, so that was the Glock 17. I'm messing up his targets. You don't have anything with glass?
Not today.
This guy is Iron Sight Central. This is a Glock clone. This is a Glock clone.
TriStar, not Glock.
This is a Glock mag.
That don't fit the map.
Okay, which mag fit in here?
The TriStar, it's the right one right there.
This is a Glock magazine. Look, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a Glock dude. All you gonna do? This is not a Glock mag. Hey, this is soft. Yeah. I don't like the. You didn't remove the Glock knuckle though. It still has the Glock knuckle. It's irritating, but it's pretty. It's pretty soft. It's pretty responsive. I like this. What is this? Yeah. It's nice. I like the trigger. That's what's the best part about it, the trigger. Alright, so that was the TriStar. This is a contender. Apex, whatever you call it. Yeah, I like it. For compact gun, it still fit my hand. And now what is this? Who?
9mm.
Cherokees. That's this mag I put in. Hammer fired.
And the difference is the top of the slide is so low profile.
I see that. Because we would have, yeah. Okay.
It's not high at all.
So
It takes a little bit getting used to.
that is nice, that low bore right? Let's see how she fire. Not bad. I like it. Yeah. The trigger's a little weird. Yeah, it's nice. The trigger's weird, but it's responsive. And it's pretty quick and accurate, too. Yeah, I like the trigger on this one the best. Yeah, so I think this is, I like this, but I think I like this one better. But I don't know, I chose this over the Glock. Even though there's nothing beats the Glock, people, don't get it twisted. Yeah.
Came out the right way.
Yeah, but
Wait a minute, you're not done. You got a 38 special right there. Come on.
y'all don't want to see that. No one wants to see me shoot a 38 special. Alright, fuck it. Okay, fans, what is this? The bullets all falling out. Okay. So, single stage trigger, I presume. Okay, so there's single stage. Okay. In my glasses is like. Hey, this is not. It hurt my hand a little here. It's hurting my hand right here. Yeah. Oh, it is double action.
6 shots, sit. Better make them count.
I like it. How do I open this?
No. There's a plunger in the front.
Okay.
See here?
Yeah, I know the plunger, but they all fell out. So she's empty. I'm saying I like the way it shoot, but right here it's hurting my. I'm getting some. Right here, it hurts my hand. So it's bumping back against my middle finger. It needs more. It needs a little more meat back here. Yeah, it needs
I have a bigger one.
to fit my hand, cause yeah, the grip is a little too skinny, but it shoots nice. So yeah.
Maybe a 5-inch barrel might be a little bit better for you.
Yeah. See, I got a little mark right there.
You just hold it too tight because you're.
Yeah. That's the best one for the day, even with the iron sights and this weird. The trigger's a little weird. Let me take the mag out before we handle it. Yeah. The trigger's a little weird, but it's yeah, it got a little play, but once it reached the wall, it's a nice crisp break. So I do like that about it. And the grip too. The grip fits my hand somewhat. But I always have problems with this little thing right here that rubs on my knuckle. So
That's why you dribble yours.
yeah, so hold that thought. So you see it has a knuckle here, but it's missing on the other side. So it fits my right hand. There's nothing there to touch me. It's on. If I shoot left-handed, it's gonna be irritating as hell. But I cut it to fit my right hand. So yeah, feel it.
Yeah, I see it. I see
Yeah.
it. Grind it all out, but I'm not going to feel much enough.
Okay. And I did the same thing with this one also. So this is my new Glock 45. Of course, you see I cut it off already. Yeah. Yep. First day I got it, I cut it off. No Glock knuckles here. And this is like the best grip ever. I like this grip. If y'all know, the 45 is a 17 grip with a 19 slide. So that's what the 45 is. Chamber 9 millimeter. So it's loud, sorry. But yeah, that's the best we could do right now. So I'm gonna get back to shooting this and we'll see how we do. We over here at one of my favorite places. Yeah, pistol people. There's a couple of people in here. I'm gonna get back to shooting this Glock and let's see what happens. So I was having a problem with this one, so I just changed my guide rod on it again. and I'm hoping everything goes well. So optic is on. So let's hope she cycles well. I'll turn this up. Yeah. Just shooting at about 10 yards. Oh. Hey, looked like the guide route thing worked out. For some other reason, I can't see the target through there with this tint. But I'm on, if you could see what I'm going on out there. So, this is the Glock 19. I'm gonna shoot on the bottom. Something's wrong with my optic. Hold on, y'all. I think I know what it is. It's dirty. Whoa, that's a whole lot better. I just cleaned this weapon and yeah, my optic got full of smoke. So, trying it again. Holding on that bottom, yeah. I pulled that last one, but that's what we got. Y'all see that? Well, I pulled the second to last one. So, yep. I like the way she's cycling. I haven't had a stoke fight yet, but keep my fingers crossed. Going center mass. Center center. Time to change this target. Alright, let's hope that's focused. I'm going my Glock 19. Shooting somewhere about 10 yards somewhere. So empty. A little rapid fire, see what we did. So I know y'all see that. Yeah. We don't need to come in any closer, but that's the Glock 19, shooting fast. Not really acquiring a sight, but you see it. Let's go back out. I'm really liking the way it's shooting today. So, back at it. Ooh. Full speed. Yeah. See what Tony's up to. Alright. You saw me shoot Tony's Glocks, now he's gonna shoot mine. So that is the 45. Yeah. 9mm, and yeah, so he shot all his guns are pretty much iron sights, and now we're going into optic ready. Yeah, it's awake. You gotta do all of that. It's a 45 9mm. Why are you cranking up like that? Leave it right there. Oh well. It's 9mm though. It's the Glock 45. It's not a.
It's a 9. Oh,
yeah, it's not a 45. Yeah.
I was thinking it was 45 caliber.
No, it's the Glock 45. It's the confusing numbers. Go ahead.
It's like a 17.
Well, it's the 17 grip with the 19 slide, so that's what it is. That's what the 45 is. So yeah.
All right. So I shot this.
Okay.
I own this.
No, you don't. Just do me a favor. Shoot that last round that's in that chamber, please. Yes, thank you. Thanks. All right. So that's the Glock 19.
I like the green dot.
Yeah. With the Timney trigger, so it's a little sensitive on the trigger. Careful. Yeah, but you're stacking the rounds though. Now you see the beauty of an optic?
No, I like the iron still.
To hell with you. Can't do that with your fancy irons.
Still shoot the side of a board with it.
The side of a bar.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the special piece right there. Let them
It's
see
got
it.
like everything under the sun under.
Yeah. It's just missing a CPU. That's all it's missing. That one also has the Timney trigger in there.
Did you make this?
No, that's a SLR Magwell.
Oh, okay. I'm surprised you ain't put the gas pedals on your stuff yet.
I was going to, but because of the ergonomics and my hand, it's kind of like in the way. So I just have a memory pad for my thumb. That's where my thumb goes. Yeah. Okay. Louder, because it's compensated.
I can feel it say it works.
Yeah, but it's cleaner. See, all your groups fell right in that spot, like 2 inches down, a little over there. So you put them all in the same spot. That one went an inch below the previous ones, but yeah.
Well, I'm going to have to say I like that the best.
Why? Because it has a factory trigger in it?
Yes.
Okay. Ain't no work done to it yet. How are you gonna like the unworked gun? Well,
The trigger
that
was
that
okay.
explains it. He liked guns with no work done, so yeah.
The trigger was okay here. I like that trigger.
The trigger is 2 pounds heavier than the other one.
Yeah. This was just obnoxiously loud.
Because it's compensated. It has a Radiant Ramjet afterburner combo on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna.
But the Cherokee, it bangs my finger up a little too much.
Okay.
That's what I can say on that review. That the trigger, your fingers be sitting there going, you feel like they've been smacked around a lot.
I didn't have that problem with that. I had that problem with the 38, where it's hurting my finger. But with that Cherokee, speaking about this gun, yeah, that was pretty decent shoot. I like it, hammer fired, but nothing beats the Glock. So, well, I'm gonna finish out this couple of mags. So I'm about the 15-yard line, somewhere there. This optic is severely lost the dot. You kind of messed up my target with them holes on the bottom. Those are not my holes. Hmm. So the second stroke pipe I got for the day on that one, but compared to what it was doing previously, yeah. Last 2 shots on this one. So I guess she's shooting slightly to the left a little bit. I was aiming dead center. So that's what we got. So she's slightly high and left. But let's go back to the 20. I'm gonna run the 19X next. Somewhere there. Park that one. I haven't shot this all day, so it's my Glock 19X. It's my favorite shooting gun. And the dot track is nice. I think this one is shooting to the left also. Maybe that's me. Hold a little right. Half of them bullets on the lower end is not mine, so don't judge me. That was slow. My presentation sucks. Empty. So we're at about 15 yards. Just. Oh. All right, sir. Appreciate you.
Very nice meeting you.
Yes.
Merry New Year or Happy New Year.
Yes.
See you guys. I'll take you to the gym.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Oh, anytime, man. When you want to shoot some high-powered stuff, come out down to Holmesburg. I bring out some big stuff.
All right.
Yeah. So
I'll bring up my 500 mag.
500 mag. Oh, you beat me on that. I got 300. You have a good one, sir.
See you guys.
Alrighty. Freeze on the trigger right there. Just like that. I wonder why this 45 mag don't fit in here. Oh, it's the lip. I know why. All right, so you finished with that 45? Yep. Thank you. All right, so that was the 19 and the 19X. I got a couple more mags here. Well, actually, I got 3 more mags. So I'm gonna run the 45. I ain't did any work to this one yet. All I do is mount to the optic. So I might end up getting it ported or something, but let's see how it'll do. Same distance. Yeah, this one is it's a little more aggressive. It's hard to determine, but I think it's a little harder than the 19. I'm gonna start there. I'm shooting on the bottom of it. Oh, to hell with it. I'm gonna keep shooting in the. Yeah, this trigger is not as fast as my regular. But it's clean. It's pretty clean. Two more mags. So I think this is grouped right outside the hole. It's grouping a little lower. I see it's cutting it up. I hope y'all can see that, but yeah. So it is shooting a little low and to the a little low and to the left, so I'll have to hold higher. I'm looking at Tony's target here, and I'm thinking I should just shoot a bullseye for him. And then... Yeah, you gotta forgive me for that. That wasn't his target. I figured y'all could see it, so why not? Oh, you over there stealing heat. Look at this. He over here warming up. And I forgot my gloves today. Yeah. Well, you want to check out the 4.5? All right, there's a couple of loaded mags. See how soft it is? No. The actual 1911 45 caliber. Okay, it is ready. It's good enough.
It still kicks like a mule.
It didn't go all the way in the battery. Okay. It still kicks like a mule? Yeah. I'm thinking once I get a heavier guide round, yeah, it should work better. I think you're limp risking it. Yeah, it's empty. All right, I'm gonna finish out the other mag and then move to the Glocks. To me, it's a lot softer, but you didn't shoot it before I ported it.
Still 45s, they still kick. About 20 rounds.
No, it's not bad at all. It's a single shooter though. Hey, it went in the battery this time. And this time. Woo! It's starting to run. Just as I said that, I gotta hang up. Alright, I got like 3 more rounds. Then I'm finished with this 45. I don't know if it's the mag causing it to hang up or what, but I'm liking it so far. It's feeling pretty good. It's a lot softer than it used to be. And the fact that it cycles, that didn't go all the way in the battery. I don't know if it's the last round with that mag. I may have a magazine. I found another round. Okay, I got 2 more shots. So, 4.5 Gerson 1911. This thing is clean. I don't know why we're not cycling this last. I feel like Kevin Hart. I'm finding ammo on the ground. I got 2 more shots again. I think she cycled. No, that's not all the way in the battery. Let's hope that's in battery. Yep. And with that, that's the last shot. It shot better. It's pretty tight. I'm liking it. I'm parking it. It ran. She did her thing. So, yep. Gerson, 1911. I think it's the MC. Can't remember right now, but 45 ACP.